Hey everyone, just want to take a minute here and explain how our new GHS25 earbuds work. So essentially you can think of these like your classic foam earplug. And so if we think about it like an earplug, but we've added a speaker to it. So we have a speaker cone in there, it's going to play some tunes. How are we going to get the tunes in there? Well, it has a little antenna, doesn't look like this in real life, that uses Bluetooth 5.2, and that sound is going to come in and play through the speaker. But we're going to take it one step further. We're actually going to add a microphone out here that's going to allow outside sound waves to pass through electronically to the speaker, so you hear what's going on around you while you're listening to music. And if that sound outside of that exceeds that 85 decibel threshold, it'll stop the sound from coming through and protect your ears. So whether it's an impact gun or if it's a nail gun, you're not going to hear that sound while you're trying to work, but yet I can hear someone talking around me if I needed to hear something else. So that's essentially how they work. You have an IP67 rating for dust and water intrusion. Bluetooth 5.2 gives you 32 feet of range between your streaming device and the earbuds. 13-hour runtime before you put them on the charger. And that aware mode I talked about, you can turn that on and off if you need to.